Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make Flan De Vainilla. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need sugar, eggs, milk, and vanilla extract. The initial step is creating that beautiful caramel base. Gently melt about 1/2 cup of sugar in a saucepan over medium heat until it turns a rich, golden brown. Be careful, as it gets very hot. Once melted, immediately pour the caramel into your chosen flan mold, swirling to coat the bottom. Now, let's prepare the creamy flan mixture. In a blender, combine 4 large eggs, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Blend these ingredients until the mixture is completely smooth and well combined, ensuring there are no lumps. This step is crucial for a silky smooth flan. Once blended, carefully pour this delicious mixture over the hardened caramel in your mold. It's time to bake our flan. Place your flan mold into a larger baking pan. Carefully pour hot water into the larger pan, creating a water bath until it reaches about halfway up the sides of the flan mold. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 60 minutes or until the center is just set. Once baked, let it cool, then refrigerate for at least 4 hours or preferably overnight. The moment of truth. Once your flan is thoroughly chilled, run a thin knife around the edge of the mold to loosen it. Place your serving plate upside down over the mold, then quickly and confidently invert the flan onto the plate. The caramel will cascade down, creating a beautiful glaze. You can garnish your delicious flan with fresh berries or a dollop of whipped cream. It's perfect for any occasion. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.